1. Wrong sentence, I didn't knew. Right sentence, I didn't know. 2. Wrong sentence, he don't like it. Right sentence, he doesn't like it. 3. Wrong sentence, she is married with him. Right sentence, she is married to him. 4. Wrong sentence, they enjoyed from the trip. Right sentence, they enjoyed the trip. 5. Wrong sentence, I'm waiting since 2 hours. Right sentence, I've been waiting for 2 hours. 6. Wrong sentence, I need to speak English good. Right sentence, I need to speak English well. 7. Wrong sentence, I prefer tea than coffee. Right sentence, I prefer tea to coffee. 8. Wrong sentence, I will call to him. Right sentence, I will call him. 9. Wrong sentence, I want that he goes. Right sentence, I want him to go. 10. Wrong sentence, he explained me the problem. Right sentence, he explained the problem to me. 11. Wrong sentence, he said me to come. Right sentence, he told me to come. 12. Wrong sentence, she didn't came. Right sentence, she didn't come. 13. Wrong sentence, I'm going to shopping. Right sentence, I am going shopping. 14. Wrong sentence, you should to study more. Right sentence, you should study more. 15. Wrong sentence, I prefer more coffee. Right sentence, I prefer coffee. 16. Wrong sentence, I'm going to there. Right sentence, I'm going there. 17. Wrong sentence, I look forward to meet you. Right sentence, I look forward to meeting you. 18. Wrong sentence, we discussed about the issue. Right sentence, we discussed the issue. 19. Wrong sentence, he does not listens to me. Right sentence, he does not listen to me. 20. Wrong sentence, she is more taller than me. Right sentence, she is taller than me. 21. Wrong sentence, it depends from the situation. Right sentence, it depends on the situation. 22. Wrong sentence, I have 25 years old. Right sentence, I am 25 years old. 23. Wrong sentence, he has got a lot of money. Right sentence, he has a lot of money. 24. Wrong sentence, can you borrow me your pen? Right sentence, can you lend me your pen? 25. Wrong sentence, she said that to me. Right sentence, she told me that. 26. Wrong sentence, I didn't understood. Right sentence, I didn't understand. 27. Wrong sentence, I'm afraid from spiders. Right sentence, I'm afraid of spiders. 28. Wrong sentence, she suggested me to go. Right sentence, she suggested that I go. 29. Wrong sentence, I've been here since 3 days. Right sentence, I've been here for 3 days. 30. Wrong sentence, let me know when will you arrive. Right sentence, let me know when you will arrive. 31. Wrong sentence, we were playing during 2 hours. Right sentence, we were playing for 2 hours. 32. Wrong sentence, he has been in London last year. Right sentence, he was in London last year. 33. Wrong sentence, I'm thinking to move abroad. Right sentence, I'm thinking of moving abroad. 34. Wrong sentence, he doesn't listen me. Right sentence, he doesn't listen to me. 35. Wrong sentence, I forgot my book to home. Right sentence. I forgot my book at home. 36. Wrong sentence. She is married with a doctor. Right sentence. She is married to a doctor. 37. Wrong sentence. I am interested for history. Right sentence. I am interested in history. 38. Wrong sentence. This is the place where I am living. Right sentence. This is the place where I live. 39. Wrong sentence. He suggested to meet. Right sentence. He suggested meeting. 40. Wrong sentence. They are used to work hard. Right sentence. They are used to working hard. 41. Wrong sentence. You must do to study. Right sentence. You must study. 42. Wrong sentence. He is good in math. Right sentence. He is good at math. 43. Wrong sentence. He said me to go. Right sentence. He told me to go. 44. Wrong sentence. She didn't know the answer. Right sentence. She didn't know the answer. 45. Wrong sentence. We enjoyed in the party. Right sentence. We enjoyed the party. 46. Wrong sentence. I look forward to meet you soon. Right sentence. I look forward to meeting you soon. 47. Wrong sentence. He explained me the problem. Right sentence. He explained the problem to me. 48. Wrong sentence. It was too much cold. Right sentence. It was very cold. 49. Wrong sentence. I have been knowing him for years. Right sentence. I have known him for years. 50. Wrong sentence. He plays good football. Right sentence. He plays football well. 51. Wrong sentence. She said me the truth. Right sentence. She told me the truth. 52. Wrong sentence. I go to bed at 11 and every night. Right sentence. I go to bed at 11 every night. 53. Wrong sentence. I didn't saw her. Right sentence. I didn't see her. 54. Wrong sentence. It's more better now. Right sentence. It's better now. 55. Wrong sentence. He said that to me. Right sentence. He told me that. 56. Wrong sentence. I am going to there. Right sentence. I am going there. 57. Wrong sentence. They made a photo. Right sentence. They took a photo. 58. Wrong sentence. He told that to me. Right sentence. He told me that. 59. Wrong sentence. I didn't understood what he said. Right sentence. I didn't understand what he said. 60. Wrong sentence. I think she is very nice girl. Right sentence. I think she is a very nice girl. 61. Wrong sentence. I'm waiting since 2 hours. Right sentence. I've been waiting for 2 hours. 62. Wrong sentence. I prefer tea than coffee. Right sentence. I prefer tea to coffee. 63. Wrong sentence. I didn't saw her yesterday. Right sentence. I didn't see her yesterday. 64. Wrong sentence. I forgot my keys to the office. Right sentence. I forgot my keys at the office. 65. Wrong sentence. I enjoy to read books. Right sentence. I enjoy reading books. 66. Wrong sentence. He is better than me in math. Right sentence. He is better than I am in math. 67. Wrong sentence. I am boring. Right sentence. I am bored. 68. Wrong sentence. She is interested for learning Spanish. Right sentence. She is interested in learning Spanish. 69. Wrong sentence. He is good to play guitar. Right sentence. He is good at playing guitar. 70. Wrong sentence. She told that she will come. Right sentence. She said that she will come. 71. Wrong sentence. I need to make a decision soon. Right sentence. I need to decide soon. 72. Wrong sentence. I look like my sister. Right sentence. I look like my sister does. 73. Wrong sentence. I forgot my umbrella in the car. Right sentence. I forgot my umbrella at the car. 74. Wrong sentence. I am used to play basketball. Right sentence. I am used to playing basketball. 75. Wrong sentence. I feel tired because I didn't sleep enough. Right sentence. I feel tired because I didn't sleep well enough. 76. Wrong sentence. She has been working here since 2 years. Right sentence. She has been working here for 2 years. 77. Wrong sentence. I am looking forward to see you. Right sentence. I am looking forward to seeing you. 78. Wrong sentence. He is a friend of my brother. Right sentence. He is a friend of my brother's. 79. Wrong sentence. She enjoys to go shopping. Right sentence. She enjoys going shopping. 80. Wrong sentence. They are going to the cinema every weekends. Right sentence. They go to the cinema every weekend. 81. Wrong sentence. I didn't understand nothing. Right sentence. I didn't understand anything. 82. Wrong sentence. I used to go to school by walk. Right sentence. I used to walk to school. 83. Wrong sentence. He has a lot of money, doesn't he? Right sentence. He has a lot of money, hasn't he? 84. Wrong sentence. She's the best student in my class. Right sentence. She is the best student in my class. 85. Wrong sentence. The information was known by me. Right sentence. I knew the information. 86. Wrong sentence. I have seen him yesterday. Right sentence. I saw him yesterday. 87. Wrong sentence. I need to buy a new car. Right sentence. I need to get a new car. 88. Wrong sentence. I didn't have no time to finish my homework. Right sentence. I didn't have any time to finish my homework. 89. Wrong sentence. She is very kind person. Right sentence. She is a very kind person. 90. Wrong sentence. I have been to Paris last summer. Right sentence. I went to Paris last summer. 91. Wrong sentence. I am going to visit my grandparents at the weekend. Right sentence. I am going to visit my grandparents this weekend. 92. Wrong sentence. He didn't arrive on time, did he? Right sentence. He didn't arrive on time, did he? 93. Wrong sentence. I am looking for my keys everywhere. Right sentence. I am looking everywhere for my keys. 94. Wrong sentence. She is very good in singing. Right sentence. She is very good at singing. 95. Wrong sentence. We discussed about the project. Right sentence. We discussed the project. 96. Wrong sentence. He told that he will be late. Right sentence. He said that he will be late. 97. Wrong sentence. It's raining cats and dogs. Right sentence. It's raining heavily. 98. Wrong sentence. I can't wait to see you again. Right sentence. I can't wait to see you soon. 99. Wrong sentence. They traveled in Europe last summer. Right sentence. They traveled to Europe last summer. 100. Wrong sentence. It was a great experience for me. Right sentence. It was a wonderful experience for me.